For me personally and for KUKA as a company, the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals are both a mission and a responsibility. This is driving our execution plan. Until 2030, we aim to reduce CO2 emissions by 40%. We will continue to develop energy-efficient robotic solutions. We will leverage our supplier network of more than 10,000 suppliers to uphold social standards and human rights. We foster diversity in our HR policies and in our culture. This is an integral part to our identity, which we call the KUKA spirit.
Industrial intelligence.